Good morning, students. Today in mathematics, firstly we will read the formula of area of triangle. The area of triangle formed by the points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is 1 by 2 x1 in bracket x2 minus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Second, if three points are collinear, then we cannot draw a triangle. So area of triangle will be 0. So 1 by 2 in bracket x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 should be equal to 0. See first question. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, 4. See its solution. First we will draw a triangle ABC whose coordinates are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. So A coordinate will be assume x1, y1, B coordinates we will assume x2, y2 and C coordinates we will assume x3, y3. Now area of triangle half in bracket x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Put the value x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. Half in bracket 2 0 plus 4 plus minus 1 into minus 4 into minus 4 minus 3 plus 2 3 minus 0. So when we will solve, we will get 21 by 2 square units. Second, again we will draw the triangle DEF whose coordinates are minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 5, 2. Its coordinate will be x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Now area of triangle DEF half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Put the value of x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 and x3 y1 minus y2. So 1 by 2 in bracket minus 5 minus 5 minus 2 plus 3 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1 plus 5. So when we will solve, we will get 32 square units. Now see question number 2. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Points are given. See its solution. Since we know that for collinearity the area of triangle should be equal to 0, so in this question we will show the area of triangle is equal to 0. So first question, here x 7, minus 2 we will assume x1, y1, 5, 1 we will assume x2, y2 and 3, 7 we will assume x3, y3. Again we will put these value in area of triangle. 1 by 2 7 1 minus k plus 5 in bracket k plus 2 plus 3 in bracket minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. So when we will solve, we will get k is equal to 4. Again in second question, 8, 1 we will assume x1, y1, k, minus 4, x2, y2 and 2, minus 5 we will assume x3, y3. Since points are collinear, then area of triangle must be equal to 0. From here we will get the value of k. Put the value 1 by 2 8 minus 4 plus 5 plus k minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 in bracket 1 plus 4 is equal to 0. So when we will solve, k will be 3. Thank you students.